Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing makeup and tying hair back so products touch skin evenly. Use an oil-based remover if you wore heavy makeup, then splash lukewarm water to open pores for about 30 to 60 seconds. Take the Mamaearth cleanser from the kit and apply a pea-sized amount. Massage in small circular motions, focusing on T-zone for 1 minute. Once done, rinse thoroughly and gently pat dry with a clean towel. Make sure your skin is damp, but not wet before the next step. Once your skin is cleansed and damp, exfoliate using the kit scrub or enzyme step. Work in light pressure for 45 to 60 seconds to lift dead cells without abrasion. Rinse and pat dry, then apply the Mamaearth mask layer evenly, keeping a gap around eyes and lips. Smooth from center outward and make sure coverage is uniform. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes while you relax. After the time is up, rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat dry to reveal smoother skin. After rinsing the mask, tone to rebalance pH. Pour a small amount on a cotton pad and press gently into skin rather than rubbing. Next, apply the kit serum with light tapping motions to increase absorption, then seal with the moisturizer provided. If it's daytime, finish with SPF. Make sure to massage cheeks and jaw for lymphatic movement. If you experience unexpected redness, burning, or stinging, rinse immediately with cool water and do a patch test next time to identify.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.